Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to actually give you a tutorial on how to tie the neck scarf or the bandana. So if you've seen my Instagram lately, I've been really enjoying tying these cool neck scarves and bandanas because it's all the rage. It's quite a fashion trend right now. So today I'm going to give you a tutorial. First things first, how do you style a neck scarf or a bandana? Basically you can wear it over a solid shirt, a solid colored shirt, because all the focus needs to be there. Or you can do a nautical striped shirt just like how I'm doing it to give it this very nice nautical vibe. So let's start with step number one, is getting a cool bandana or a neck scarf. So this is what I've got. I got this from Urban Island, a store in Colombo, which is a very nice quirky printed batik bandana, full size, and it can add a nice pop of color. So what I do is I first would fold this in half like this, okay? And then to create the band, I start rolling this, but the tip is to start rolling it from this point so that there are no frayed ends, okay? So I do this. What I've done, I've actually folded it starting from the tip, and I'm going to show you two knots today. It's the very simple one. You just put it around and you just do a simple double knot, okay, and be sure to open these edges to make it look fun, okay, not too tight, just a little below the neck so that it doesn't look too tight. It gives it a nice casual nautical vibe. So this is the first kind of knot, okay? If you want to add a little fun, you just make it a little off center, but I usually like to keep it like this, you know. See. Okay, let me show you the second knot now. So I'm going to now show you how I do the second knot. This is actually the knot that I prefer. It's not easy to get. I'm going to show you. So basically what you do is you take it like this, okay? I hold both the ends together, and I knot it around. And I pull out the two ends. Be sure to always pull out these two ends to add some nice effect. And as I said, you can pair this with a solid t-shirt, you can pair it with a solid shirt. I like to wear them with white shirts, nautical print pants, cool denims, ankle pants and sneakers, and this is quite a fashionable look to sport these days. If any of you are going to try this, don't forget to send me a picture, of course. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Until my next tutorial, stay stylish.